Wondering if a woman likes you is normal to think about when you're on a date with a girl you're really attracted to. But dating doesn't have to be a mystery. In fact, there are a lot of physical signs a woman is interested in you that you may be missing. So, if she's interested, she will let you know in this way. Of course, don't try to seek out anything that isn't there, especially a sexual encounter. Of course, the easiest and only guaranteed way to know if a woman is interested is to ask her. However, sometimes it's not that simple. If so, there are other signs to look for to figure out if she's attracted to you. Here are 13 body language signs a woman likes you. 1. She constantly fixes her hair, makeup, and clothing. She's constantly preening herself in front of you either by fixing her hair, adjusting her clothes, or retouching her makeup. This is probably because she's nervous about how she looks and wants to appear more attractive. Preening is something seen in the animal kingdom, where birds in particular meticulously groom their feathers to be more attractive to potential mates. In humans, this subconscious motion means women do it without realizing it when they're attracted to a man. 2. She touches you a lot. Lightly touching is a strong sign that a woman likes you, and it's one of the female body language signs of attraction. The more she moves closer to you and looks for ways to touch you, the more she's flirting with you. When you're in a conversation and she lightly taps her hand on your shoulder or chest, it's a possible indicator that she's interested. If her touches are more intimate, this might mean she's very interested in you, and it may be a request to get closer or be more intimate. 3. She returns your physical touches. A way to test if she really likes you is to see how she reacts when you touch her. Try lightly touching her arm or shoulder when you're talking to her. If she touches you back, that's great. If she backs away when you touch her, she might feel uncomfortable. It could also mean she just wants to be friends, or she doesn't see herself with you. 4. She initiates eye contact often. Eye contact is one of the most common body language signs of attraction. She'll engage it a lot but won't be able to hold it for long. She may glance to the side or look down once you've made eye contact for a brief moment. This is a surefire sign she is into you. 5. She tilts her head while looking at you. Tilting her head during a conversation is a sign that she's engaging with you. According to a study on nonverbal body language cues, the tilt of a head indicates interest in someone. If you see her tilt her head to the side during your conversation, she wants to learn and absorb what you're saying. You could try changing the topic, but if she's still tilting her head, it's a great sign. 6. She stares or looks over at you a lot. She's looking at you and you notice her, then she looks away. It may mean she's attracted to you, but she doesn't want you to know yet. Alternatively, some women maintain eye contact with someone they're attracted to and don't shy away. But if you pay attention to her pupils and they dilate, it means she likes what she sees. 7. She nods her head. It's always pretty evident in the body language when someone likes you, and you will know it when a girl actively indulges in conversations with you. For instance, she will nod as you speak and might listen to you intently without interruption. Her interested face and eyes locked with yours will tell you how much she is enjoying your warm company. Her efforts to keep the conversations going will be quite obvious, and you just know that you have her full attention. This effort and curiosity make for clear signs of female attraction. 8. She blushes around you. A woman blushes when her adrenaline is triggered with extreme emotion, and blood is brought closer to the skin. The extreme emotion may be because of embarrassment, stress, or even because she's attracted to someone. When she's attracted to you, she will blush and her body temperature might rise. She can't fake it either, because blushing is autonomic. You could compliment her and see if she blushes. When she does, it's a great way to tell that she's into you. 9. She bites or licks her lips. It's one of those pretty evident sexual body language signs of women that you can't miss. Last night at the party, did that woman lick her lower lip seductively? If she was biting her lips while dreamily staring at you, you caught it right. She was very much into you and was totally leading you on. These actions are not teasing or vulgar, but rather playful. So, Do not misread these cues of female body language attraction lightly as a direct invitation to her bed. 10. She moves into your personal space. A strong sign that a woman likes you is when she moves close to you. If she wants to be in close proximity to you, it can indicate her interest. This includes leaning in to whisper, moving her chair closer to yours, or wanting to stand as near you as possible. Studies have even shown that getting close to a person like this indicates interest or attraction, so consider it a positive sign if she does this. 11. She mirrors your movements. Copying the movement of a person you like without you realizing it is natural. This is because you're subconsciously trying to connect with that person without having any physical contact. In fact, studies have found that mirroring indicates an attraction to someone. Here's a simple way to test if she will mirror your movement. When you're on a date, pick up your drink and take a sip, or shift your position and lean to the side. If she follows and she does the same, it means she may be unconsciously mirroring your body movements as a way of showing interest. 12. She smiles a lot. If she smiles a lot when you're around, especially when you're speaking, it means that you make her feel good. Not only that, but smiling actually makes people more attractive, meaning she wants you to see her as such. There's a huge difference between a forced smile and a genuine smile, however, so keep that in mind. 13. She points her feet towards you. Keep an eye on where her feet are positioned. The gesture of a woman's feet is the most powerful form of body language. This is because you aren't conscious of what your feet are doing. Therefore, it shows open body language. When a woman is pointing both feet towards you, it means she's attracted and fully engaged. It's also a sign that she's relaxed and comfortable around you when her feet are farther away from her body and closer to yours. However, she may not be interested when she's pointing her feet elsewhere or away from you, or when she crosses her feet or legs. Understanding if a woman likes you can be tricky, but paying attention to her body language can give you valuable clues. However, remember that the best way to know for sure is to ask her directly. If you're unsure or hesitant, try to create a comfortable and open environment where she feels encouraged to express her feelings. Ultimately, communication and mutual understanding are key in any relationship.